Welcome to St. Anthony's classes. Today we are going to do one problem in engineering mechanics from the application of moment. The question is two identical prismatic bars PQ and RS, each weighing 7.5 Newton, are welded together to form a T and are suspended in a vertical plane as shown in figure. Calculate the value of the angle theta that the bar PQ will make with vertical when a vertical load of 10 Newton is applied at S. Here we are having two bar. Both the bar is having equal length. So these two bar PQ as well as RS is welded together. So they have joined together so that they have become a single piece and form as a T joint. And both the bar PQ as well as RS is having weight as 7.5 Newton. And if the bar is suspended from the point P, then it will be vertically downward. But a load of 10 Newton is given at the point of S, of RS is given there. Because of that, an inclination will be there. That inclination is given in question as theta. So this inclination of theta we have to find out. The length of the bar will be equal, but the length of the bar is not given here. So I am assuming the length of the bar as 2a. I am assuming the length of the bar as 2a because by taking the length as 2a, the centroid will be at a distance of a from the point that we are going to consider for finding the moment. So let us write down the details given here. The weight of bar PQ is equal to 7.5 Newton and the length of the bar RS is given as 7.5 Newton and the weight of the bar PQ 7.5 Newton and the weight of the bar RS is 7.5 Newton. Then length of PQ is equal to RS is equal to 2A, that we are assuming it as 2A. Then the total, the length, that load at S is also given. The load at S is given as 10 Newton. Normally, since this much of load is acting, there will be a reaction at this point also that will be definitely vertically upward. This will be reaction R that will be vertically upward. How much will be the reaction? The reaction at point P will be 7.5 plus 7.5 plus we are having another load 10 Newton. So the total reaction at point P will be 25 Newton. So here will be 25 Newton that will be acting upward. Then in order to find the angle theta, we have to find the moment about some point. Now, let us take the moment about Q. So point Q is the reference point. From point Q, this 7.5 Newton of the weight of RS is acting. 7.5. Where the 7.5 is acting? The 7.5 is acting at the centroid of RS. That is the point of Q only. So the distance from 7.5 is 0 only. Then we are having here 10 Newton is there. So 10 into the distance in between this point Q and S for 10 Newton when we will get when we will make a triangle. Since this angle is theta, so this angle also will be theta. So this will come as 10 into distance is A cos theta plus. Then we are having another load of 7.5 Newton. That is the weight of the bar PQ. That also will be acting at the center of this bar PQ. That is the middle point of this bar PQ. So 7.5 into A. Then this also will be the angle Q only. So we will get it as sine theta. Since it is angle is making with vertical, so it will be sine theta. That will be equal to the total reaction we have found, that is 25, and it is at a distance of 2A, and the angle is coming as sine theta. Now this will come as A, this 7.5 into 0 is 0 only. So 10A cos theta plus 7.5A sine theta is equal to 25 into 2 is 50, 50A sine theta. So A we can take it outside. A is there everywhere. So A will get here outside 10 cos theta plus 7.5 sine theta is equal to A into 50 sine theta. So A will get cancel here. Then we will get here as 10 cos theta plus 7.5 sine theta is equal to 50 sine theta. So here 10 cos theta we will keep over here in left hand side, and sine theta will go there. So 50 minus 7.5 sine theta it will come. So 10 cos theta will be 42.5 sine theta. So let us take this sine theta by cos theta there. Sine theta divided by cos theta will be 10 divided by 42.5. And 10 by 42.5 is coming as 0.2353. So tan theta is 0.2353. So theta will be 13.241. When we will convert it into degree and minute, this will come as 30 degree 15 minutes. Thank you. Hope you could understand it very well. Please like and share the video with your friends, and also subscribe the channel.